What inspired me to start a lawn mowing company here in Texas was my family, to stay close and deep rooted within a community with my friends and peers. My childhood, I grew up very poor. I think my work ethic and my background um, just comes naturally. I have a strong work ethic. I try to be competitive um, in my nature. I'm a type A personality, and I think that it shows in my work as well. I'm a perfectionist at times, but as long as I have the right tools, so I'm always evolving. So far, the biggest challenges is opening up to the community and making sure that I get my name out there, um, being available as much as possible, and then opening my eyes to not everybody has the exact same amount of money, and understanding that they're within a budget and try to meet that so that we can better fit their needs, but also grow our organization. I hope to provide for my community, but also become a staple within our organization and within our um, organization as a whole, to compete against other lawn companies, to be a not just a landscape specialist or a lawn care specialist, but also a landscape specialist. I believe that my business is fairly new, but I do like to believe that with this under my belt, I take it as my baby and I get to nurture it and watch it grow. Already, I have learned quite a bit of lessons about an organization and what tools you need access to in order to be successful. So, continuing to grow and knowing that sometimes you can't complete a job without help from others. Take pride in your work, work diligently, work every day. Even in you're tired, you can make a difference, not only in your own life, but in other people's lives. And just continue to save, because you never know when you're going to need a little bit extra for when tools break. I think that there are a lot of one shot or hot shot guys in town that come and go, and they just come from out of town and they take up all the business here locally. And I think with a small organization, a small business, providing local services and staying consistent, I'm able to help the community by creating a greater bond and a more personable bond with my community and peers. I'm Jose Morales, and I'm from South Texas. I'm starting up a lawn care service that I hope to expand into a landscape and even a structural design company here in the near future. Give me a call anytime, 361 765 6231. I'm here, I'm ready, I'm available 7 days a week. Um, no job's too small, no job is too large. Me and my guys should be able to tackle it anytime. Thank you guys.